In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Mobile Hotspot on Windows 11. If you've ever needed to get a tablet, phone, or another laptop online but don't have a router nearby, Windows 11 can share your PC's internet connection wirelessly in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process and explain what you'll see along the way so everything feels simple and predictable. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key on your keyboard, and, while holding it, press the letter I. You should see the Settings window appear. This is your central place for controlling how your PC behaves, including its network features. On the left side of the Settings window, click Network and Internet. This section manages your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, VPN, and more. It's where Windows collects everything related to how your device connects to the outside world. Once you're in, look to the main panel for an option labeled Mobile Hotspot. Go ahead and click it. You're now on the Mobile Hotspot page. This page is dedicated to letting your PC share its internet connection with other devices. At the top, you'll see a simple on-off switch. Turning this on tells Windows to broadcast a Wi-Fi network from your PC, using whichever internet connection you already have, such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Flip the Mobile Hotspot toggle to On. When you do, Windows immediately creates a shareable network. On this same screen, Windows shows the network name and a secure password it generated for you. These details are what other devices will use to connect. You don't need to change anything here to get started. The default settings work great for most people. If you're sitting near the PC with another device, you'll notice the new network appear in that device's Wi-Fi list within a few seconds. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Mobile Hotspot uses your PC's Wi-Fi hardware and can draw extra power, so if you're on a laptop, consider plugging it in to preserve battery life. Connection speed depends on both your original internet speed and the distance between your PC and the other device. For the best results, keep devices in the same room or within clear line of sight. If you don't see the option or it's grayed out, make sure your wireless adapter is turned on and that you're connected to the internet first. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on Mobile Hotspot in Windows 11, and your PC is now ready to share its connection whenever you need it.